Data is a consolidation system. Okay, unchanged over period time is called a master data. Okay, so master data means it's a data is a consolidation system unchanged over period. Okay, over period called as a master data. So master data means we cannot change every time data. It should be the data is a master data. It should be the permanent. When you creating, when you add any data in our organization, that could be it is a master data. That's the reasons it is in we can master data. It should be a permanented. Okay. Hello.
Okay, okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, can you record the video, sir?
Yeah, it's going on, right?
Okay, sir.
Hmm. It's not cursor moving. Okay, so what is master data means? Data is consolidation system unchanged over period time called as a master data. Okay, so master data again four topics will come under. Okay, one is material master. Okay, then vendor master, then info record and source list. These four topics will come under as a master data. Okay. So in
Okay, sir.
material master under that we will create how to create the material types and what are the configurations we will understanding under master material master. Okay, we will create materials in our databases. Then vendor master, how to create vendors, what is the payment terms we will be creating. So we will discussing under this one, vendor master data. Okay, so info record means it's a link between vendor and material price databases. Like if vendor we created XYZ and material you created something fridge or TV, something our database. Then that vendor, what is the cost for that material? We are going to maintaining under this info record. Okay, the source list we can block the vendors and we will maintain the certain duration for the vendor validity period. Then that we will going classes we will discuss. These four topics will come under as a master data. Okay, so master data under that first we will discussing material master. Okay, what is material master? And okay, so material master data, again data maintained at three levels. Okay, so one is company code level, second is plant level, third is a storage location level. So company code level means it's a whole company data will be stored, like our client informations, everything will be client, I mean the company whole data, materials data, vendor, whatever it may be, all the informations will available company code level. So under this is the some of the what are the data we are going to maintain in material master means it is in material description. Okay, material description, comma. I will show in, I mean, in this system itself. Then you will understand. Short test. Okay.
Okay.
Then base unit of measure. Okay. Base unit of measure. Then material group. Materials. This material description, short test, and base unit of measure, metal group. These four information will come under as a company code level. Okay, the data we will going to maintain it. Anyway, I will show you in system, then you will understand. Then second is the plant level. So the plant level is data is valid for, okay, data is valid for storage locations under whatever the data we maintaining, all the storage locations will be applicable. Okay, that is the plant level. So data whatever we are going to maintain, that will be applicable for all the storage locations. So what are the data we are going to maintaining here means purchase organization data. Next to MRP. So MRP means it is in, sorry, MRP means it's in
Material requirement planning.
planning. Okay, then purchasing, sorry, forecast to data. This forecast data and all, it will come in PP guys, so production planning. They will use this. What are the data means? It is purchase organization data, MRP, forecast data. This will come under at a plant level. Okay. So one more is a storage location. The storage location data is valid for particular storage location under the data maintained at this level. Like examples, under we created one plant, under plant two, three plants we created, like R1 raw metals one storage location, finished metals one storage location. So whatever the data you are going to maintain, particular any one storage location data will be maintained, whether raw metal storage location or whether it's finished metal storage location. Whatever you are going to data maintain, that will be particular storage location is available. So the data, what are the data will come here means it is in storage bins. The storage bins we will call as a shelves. Storage shelves it will be there, like rack is there. Under rack some shelves are there. So whatever shelves in SAP language we will call as a storage bins. Okay. Next is a picking area. The picking area means it is in the, again the WM, the warehouse management they will use. Picking area means examples materials now we are planning to ship to one place to another place. So which place the material has to pick up, like it is a collecting for first getting the metals and shipping. That is called as a picking area. That means storage location. These the three locations will be data maintained material master data. Okay, master data. Then some of the standard material types are there, like ROH, raw materials, finished materials, FPRT. So this is some are the standard materials is that we should by heart this. Interest they will ask. So what is ROH? ROH is a raw materials. FPRT, FET, that is finished material. HALB, semi-finished. FERT is finished products. HALB is a semi-finished product. DIEN means it's a services. I will show in system these words, then you will understand. HERS,
Okay.
manufacturing parts. Okay. Next, pipeline materials, pipe, Hava, trading goods, NA, NLAG, it's a non-stop materials. UNBW means it is a non-valuated materials. One more material type is LEIH. Any materials, if you want to return to vendor, we should use that materials LEIH. Apart from that, there are so many are there, but it's close to 20 plus are there material types. At least we should by heart this 10 to 12 material types. This is a standard organization, standard metals. You go anywhere industry sector, whether it's a pharma, whether chemical or construction or software companies or water food industries, these the materials types will be standard. We should be by heart this one. So what are the interests they will ask? What are tell me the some of the standard metal types in SAP. So we should tell this kind of ROH, FERT, HALB, DIEN, HERS, pipe, HAVA, NLAG, UNBW, LEIH. So few more are there. I will show you in systems. Okay. So we should by heart this one. Now, before we going to create materials in our databases, we should know some of the standard configurations, like it's SPRO. Under that, we have some of the standard configuration. We have to understand that. Okay, now we'll see what are that five steps are there. I will show you what that is the important. We should know that as a functional consultant. So SPRO, reference IMG. See, now you are there one screen. If you enter any transaction code, it will not go to directly particular screen. So we should use
Okay.
this slash n. That means, so whichever screen you are there, whichever you want to go particular screen, you directly will go for that screen. Otherwise, you should come for every time SAP easy access in this step, then you have to enter OX15 something. The customer, I mean the particular screen will open. Otherwise, see, now if I am there here, company code creations, like, sorry, company creation screen. Now I will go for OX02. See, system it will,
Company code.
company code transaction, if I will use the system, it will not go. So that's the reason we should enter slash n. Okay, then transaction code whatever you wanted, then particular screen it will go directly. You understand, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
SPRO reference IMG. Okay, so now it will go to logistic general. Okay, logistic general, material master under that. Okay, material master, under material master, basic settings. Okay, basic settings, under that we should understand define output format of material numbers. So what is this define output format of material number? This T code is a OMSL. Okay, OMSL, OMSL. Okay, this is the characters length. So like examples, if I will click here, see what is the characters length is 18 is there. So interiors also they will ask, so what is the characters length in material master? So minimum characters length is 18 characters. We can give less than 18, system will accept. Where you will get this 18 characters means the material creation screen is a mm01. Okay, see here, this is the characters length. So what this field is there, right? 111 18, 18 ones are there. That means it's a characters length. In case if now I will put here 10 characters. Okay, if I will save. Okay, okay. Now if I will give here in this screen more than 10 characters, system will not accept.
Accept.
Dell laptop 1 2 something 2 I entered. Next mechanical D1 P1. Okay, something. See, the material number is longer than the length set. So then
Okay,
this should be the 10 characters then only.
10 characters.
That's the reason. But SAP standard material characters length is 18. Okay.
18.
So 18 we should be maintain always. Okay. This is the characters length. Interiors they will ask what is the material characters length in SAP means it's in material master. So it is in 18 characters.
18.
Okay, we should by tick this one. Here, lexicographical it is there. So you just forgot about this leading juries. It's now we are not using in real time also. Only lexicographical. Here, lexicographical tick and tick two options are there. Like example, if I will tick here, okay, in this database in materials. Now, if I will give here numeric or alpha. Okay, I'm just saying numeric. Let's examples numeric. If I will enter the 4 characters only system will data will be stored. When if I will tick here lexicographical, okay, 4 characters now I'm given, right? The system will accept data will be stored only 4 characters length. When I untick here, now if I given 4 characters letters, when I save the data, before that zeros will be adding system backend. But that means materials, whenever you save the data, it should be there the characters length is 18 characters. But
Yeah,
zeros,
it's
yes, zeros we are not seeing. That system will take that zeros. Only the system backend padding zeros, 14 zeros, system will data will be stored. That is the minimum characters length. So that is the difference between here lexicographical tick to untick. You understand, right? Hello?
understand, sir.
Okay. This is the output type of, sorry, define output put of materials numbers. Define output format of material numbers,
Material
OMSI.
numbers.
Okay. Next, second step is maintain company codes for materials management. This you can leave global maker setups. It will be taking care some others. Okay. Maintain company codes for materials management. What is mean this one? Like examples, now we are going to start databases in our system. But system, which year, which month, if I will save the data, should be capture the date and time, correct? So that is
Yes, sir.
we are going to maintain here. Materials management, maintain company codes for materials management. Maintain company codes for materials management. Double click. This T code is a OMSY. OMSY. Okay. So now we'll go to position. Here our company code is TMM. Correct?
Yes,
See,
sir.
TMM, it is showing that current year 2020 PE is there. PE is the current month. Fifth it is saying. That means now we are in June, right? It should be
Yes, sir.
6th. If I will save the data in my company code, data will be captured in month of May, not this month, June month. So that's the reason it
Yes,
is in maintain company codes for materials management. This should be always current month here. Okay. So now it's correct. 2020 current period June and last month this is 4 is there. When I put enter, this automatically 4 will become 5 because last month is May, right? So that
yes,
is
sir.
okay. So this is current year, current month and last month this is. Okay, this is last financial year. Under that last month, 12 is there. What is this allow? I mean, ABB means allow backdate post. That means allow backdate post. That means, see, now vendor is delivered materials in maybe Saturday something. So Sunday you have office all day. Okay, now you go for next working day for Monday, correct? So you will be creating goods receipt materials delivery date 2 days back you entering in system, correct? The system has to
Yes,
act. Its system has to accept the date 2 3 days back date because of this allow back date post. We should take this always. Okay. If you tick this one, then you can whenever goods receipt if you put 2 3 days back date delivery dates, the system will be accepting this. So that is here ABB allow this is and disable this is. See, this is always should be the untick. This always should be the tick. Allow back date post. Okay, that is save. Okay, next step, material types. See, here define attributes of material types. What is define attributes of material types means examples. If you click here, So whatever I said here, raw materials, FOROH, finished metals, FERT, HALB, that you will able to see in this screen itself. Define attributes of material types. See, if I will go for position, the material type. So material type again 4 characters length, whether numeric or alpha. Okay, ROH. ROH means it's a raw materials. That is I enter here. ROH. Okay.
Yes.
Next FERT. Same go to position FERT. See finished products. Okay. See here HALB semi finished product. HAVA trading goods. Okay. Next HERS manufacturing parts. That is I entered here. But descriptions you can get here. Metal description. This is metal types I entered here. Okay. Next DIEN. DIEN services. See? Okay, next ERSA spare parts. This we can enter here. ERSA, right? Hmm. So this metal, at least you should by heart this one. RAH means raw metals, FERT means finished materials, HALB means it's a, sorry, FERT means finished products, HALB is a semi-finished, DIN means it's a services, HERS is manufacturing parts, pipeline materials, pipe trading goods, HAVA, NLOG non-stock materials, UNBW non-valuated materials, LEH returnable transport package, returnable package materials, and ERSS spare parts. So you will get this in these steps. Okay, just whatever the types I said here. But client will tell, so now I don't want to be used this standard ROH. So examples, each and every company they don't want to use a standard data. They wanted they will create business as per business requirement, they own data. If client will tell, so you don't want to I mean we don't want to use this raw materials ROH, can you create own materials? Then what we'll do, this one. Okay, go to copy as. Okay,
Yes.
wait 1 second, this is I copied this. Okay, go to position, enter ROH. Okay, select line item, double click here, copy as. So here I will create my own, like examples our company code is it TMM, right?
Yes.
So TM raw materials RM I will put. Okay, raw materials TMRM. Okay, here I will put in here TMM raw materials. Now if you see here in this step raw material types, now we are doing configurations here in this step, but you will get here this who will create this, end user will create this. He will come here, see TM, see here TTTFFO TH place there. Now we are going to creating TMRM. Okay, enter, enter. Okay, continue, save. Okay, so now we created one material type. Material type we need to be assigned to our plant. Okay, how we can assign that? Select line item. This is here quantity value updating, it is there. So whenever I'm creating receiving material from vendor, automatically my stock, like example, so 50 pieces I have keyboards. Okay, now I'm going to receiving one more 50 from the vendor. Then when I do the goods receipt, automatically my stock quantity will be 100, because 50 old stock, one more 50 I receive new stock, both will come as a 100 stock. And what is the 100 stock keyboards for value need to be updated. Like examples, one keyboard is a 1,000 rupees roughly, so 100 into 100, 10,000 rupees. Yes, this should be automatically updating in my databases. So 1 lakh, so 100 into the 1,000 rupees. So how it will be system automatically updating backend, that we are going to doing the configuration. Select whatever we created material type, then go to quantity value updating, double click. Okay, then go to position, again click position. So you will get valuation area. So valuation area same as a plant. TM P1 is our plant. You tick here. See here, this is our plant, two plants. This quantity value updating untick is there, we should tick this one. If you will not tick this one, when you creating purchase order, materials control indicators not maintained for these materials, you will get one error. Control indicators not maintained for these materials, then you have to come back here, then you should give these ticks and save. Okay, when you do this quantity value updating under this material type TMRM, when you creating materials, when you receiving metal from vendor, automatically stock quantity value will be updating in our database. Okay, save. Now data will be created. This T code is a, we can call as a OMS2. Define attributes of material types is a OMS2. This OMSL is a characters length 18 characters. This OMSY is our company code assigned to materials management. This OMS2 is a, creating new material types. Okay, so this will be all are comes under this OMS2. In case if you want to create any new material type, go to standard, select line item, go to copy as, what we done these steps, you have to do the same process. Okay, understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Next, define number ranges for each material type. Now I created one material type. What I created? TM RM. Okay. This I will maintain one number ranges. So whenever I'm creating materials, this number should come. How it will come? Examples. Now if we see, now we created one material type. Okay. MM01. Okay. So here mechanical industry, I will tell you. Next material type TM RM. See, this is one. Here materials, now I'm given blank here, then enter. Just I will show you after, later you will understand. So okay, plant is TMP1, storage location TMS1. See, the number is coming 374. I didn't given this number. How it is coming number 374 means, but backend this ROH they made it some number ranges. Examples roughly I am saying that 100 to 500. If I will create this materials, now I copied from this one, right? ROH I copied and now I created TMRM. Whatever the number ranges for ROH, it will be applicable for this material type also. So that's the reasons it is coming 374. I didn't given this 374, but this is 374 is assigned to ROH. Now I'm going to create two material types number ranges for each material type. That is here we are going to discussing here. See, define number ranges for each material type. Okay, the T code is a MMNR. MMNR. Okay, next, then double click. So whatever we created material, first we have to create one group. That means group means it's a our group we created TMRM. So I'm going to create this group under one number ranges. Now go to group, this one, maintain groups. Okay, create. Okay, here TMRM, sorry, RM. Okay, raw materials examples. Okay, here number ranges are there. See, now if examples, yesterday I given this number. Okay, then you, okay, leave this one. I will show you. See now how many characters I have given? 96969595. Almost all 8 characters I given. 00. Okay, 000. The same I will give this number ranges. See, before zeros is added because lexicographical it is there. So whatever, yes, whatever we are giving the data, if less than 18 characters if we give, automatically zeros will come before we save the data. See, 18 characters are there now. Now if I create materials, this number will come. Okay, save. Okay, so this is our material group. Now we'll go back. See, this should be there here, our material type, what we created, TMRM. Otherwise, you go to find button. Okay, TMRM. Okay, okay, this is, see here is our raw material. Okay, this is our material group. Just select this one, material type, go to element group. Here you just double click. So here we will get our whatever we created number ranges, that is. See here. Okay, double click this one, save. Data is changed. Now if I will see here, if I will select number ranges here, 374 it will not come. Whatever we maintain number ranges, that should come here. MM01. Okay, mechanical, this is our material group. Enter. This our plan to TMP1, TMS1. See here, now number ranges, it's whatever we created it should come. So, but client will tell if they wanted numeric or alpha, based on we are doing the configurations here. Some clients they will tell I don't want numeric, can you maintain alpha only? Okay, some clients they will tell I don't want alpha, can you make numeric? So this is material code. Now I will enter here laptop something. So then our company code is TMRM. So roughly I'm telling. So TMM. So laptop TMM. So when you creating purchase order, we should use this number only, material code. Then automatically description will come. Now if you see the, if you go any market also, supermarkets, at the billing counter, you will not enter the full product of material name like a paste or sugar something. So you will just put the bar square a barcode or number you will enter, like 5 sugar, 6 toothpaste, and 7 soap. A tenth is a, I mean, eighth is a perfume bottle, something. That kind of materials, how is entering based on here material code. That material code based on client will update us accordingly. We should be doing the configurations. Okay, so that is here we understand define number ranges for each material type. Define number ranges for each material type. T code is a OMMNR. Okay, next step, define material groups. Define material groups. Define material groups. T code is a OMSF. OMSF. But standard material group, okay, 0001. But client tell if you don't want to be use a standard 0001, can you create one material group? Then we will use this transaction code T code OMSF. We can create instead of 0001 ABCD or numeric or alpha, whatever they wanted. What is material group means? Similar properties of material grouped together called as a material group. Definition: similar properties of material grouped together called as a material group. 0001. Okay, now we'll see the how to create this same 0001. You just double click this clock symbol, the screen will be open. Okay, so here somebody is deleted here 0001. Okay, so otherwise we can copy the standard also here. Then you go to here, like examples, 0001 material group standard. Okay, this you will create. If we don't want to use this standard also 0001, I will go back, create new entries. So 4 characters, let TM or TMM, our company code only. We will use this TMM only, material group, TMM material GP group. Okay, enter and save. Why, what purpose we are creating here? When we creating materials, we should be maintain this metal group. Anyway, next you will understand that. Okay, save. Okay, next one more last step, define purchase group. Okay, this where you will get means it's in materials management. Materials management, under purchasing, create purchase group. Okay, create purchase groups. Create purchase group is T code is OME4. E4. Okay, so here standard purchase group is 000001. So standard metal group metal group is a 0001. Standard purchase group is a 001. Okay, so go to new entries. Yes, standard is 001. If you don't want to use the standard one, go to new entries. So TMM, I will use same thing. Okay, TMM again, purchase group. Okay, enter and save. So this is whatever we created configuration and all. Still, this is our roles. MM functional consultant. So we will do this purchase group, material group, number ranges, so material type, whatever we created, we will share this information to the end users. So end users, they will use this whatever we done the configuration. You will create the material in databases. But real time, we are not creating any database, any materials in databases. That will be taken care by the end users. See, this is the end user screen here, /n. Okay, so you will go logistics, materials management. Under that material master, under that material, here create a special general is there. If you want to click here, create general special, only raw materials metal types are there. If I click here, this particular whatever I'm creating materials all are will go under raw materials. If I will click here semi-finished products, if I will create materials, all materials will go under semi-finished. So this is material types wise. So that's the reason it is in here they create special. If I will go for here general, double click here, immediately see material, industry sector, material type. You should be select here. The reason whatever material you are going to create, it is under raw material or finished materials or semi-finished or trading goods. So whatever you wanted, we should be select here. If you go for special, so by default you will be creating whatever material, it will go any one particular material type. Okay, now examples TMM, our company code, laptop. Okay, this industry sector is there. So industry sector also we can create our own. Like examples, industry sector means say mechanical engineering, pharma is there, communications is there, telecommunications, retailing is there, chemical industry is there. In case our own company, TMM industry sectors, so we can create that is also. I will show you how to create that is industry sector also. Okay, mechanical engineering. This is our material type. Okay, enter. See now. Okay, right. Yes, I will tell you T codes for materials creations. Then you will understand. One second. Okay, so material creation T code. Okay, mm01. Okay, changes after you creations, anything you want to change the data, mm02. Okay, then display mm03. Okay, so material creation T code mm01, changes mm02, display mm03. You go anywhere, create always one, two changes, three display. Now this vendor materials is there, the same thing, creations 1 to 3, create to change display. If you go for vendor also same. Anyway, we'll see next class, that is vendor about. So this material creations. Next, list of materials, list of materials under plant. T code is mm60. Okay, next, price changes in material master. MR21. See, in changes, now I created one invoice, 1,000 rupees I made it. Okay, now if you want to change the prices 1,000 to 1,500 or 2,000, this MM02, it will not work in these transactions. Then we have to make
Yeah,
MR21. So MR21, you can change the price. Anyway, I will show you in next class, you will understand. Okay, next. Creation display changes, list of metals mm60, then within the flag for material deletion. I will show you this material deletion. Okay. M06. Okay, now I will show this transaction codes in question. Now first we are going to see the create. Okay, mm01. So this is the T code mm01. After you entering materials, industry sector, material type, then this is the basic view, purchasing, general data, plan, storage one, accounting. So these field selections we need to be do when we creating all the materials, the basic data, purchasing, general, plant, accounting. That means it's a laptop. What is the basic data information? Laptop, what is the purchasing? And where this materials, laptop we are going to where the maintain, which plant to under which storage locations, and laptop cost, what is laptop cost we are going to maintain under this accounting one tab. Okay, enter. Okay, anyway this will show. Okay, next to price controls. Hmm, uh, price control, uh, price control in SAP, price control in Metal Master also you just. Material master, two types. Okay, one is V is a moving average price, moving average price. Okay, S is a standard price. Okay, then valuation class for, okay, for raw materials. This and all FI guys are created backend. So valuation class for raw materials 3000. This is standard, you go worldwide. So this is raw materials means it's a 3000. What purpose, what is valuation classes means it's in, we will discuss in FI and integration. One topic is that we'll discuss there. Okay, next valuation class for finished materials. Okay, 7920 and 7925. Okay, valuation class for next semi finished HALB. Okay, 7900 and 7910. This is by heart, it should be by heart. This is how we will get these numbers and all. When the company code creating the finance things, they will share to us. So when you creating material, raw material, then you should select valuation class for raw materials 3000. When you creating finished materials, when you choose any one, this 7920 or 25, any one. And if you're creating finished semi-finished materials HALB, we should select 7900, 7910, any one. Okay, where we are this and all data we are going to maintaining, that is we are going to see now. Double click. Okay, SPRO reference IMG. Okay, okay. So that is ended, right? We will create MM. Okay, so TMM, our company code, laptop, mechanical engineering, material type is TMRM. This is our raw materials. Okay, enter. Plant, so TMPM, our plant, storage location TMS1. Okay, see TMM. Okay, this is shortest. So what we entered here, data maintained 3 levels, material master as right, materials description, chart test, base unit of measure, material code. This will come under this company code level. This basic data will be stored in company portal. This is material description. This is short test. Short test also you should maintain same TMM laptop base int of measure. How we are going to calculate laptop per each laptop or each piece, per piece or each. So that is base int of measurement. If we have any liquid type, how we are going to calculate that materials is a liter, bottle. So like that side, that is the materials we are going to calculate. This is that is base unit of measure. Okay. Next, material group. What we created, TMM we created. But standard, if you want to create metal group, is 0001. But real time, we will use 0001, or maybe the client, whatever they wanted, we created. We have to maintain. Now we created TMM. Okay, enter. Then purchasing. So purchase group is a 001 is a standard, but we created that is also TMM. Okay, enter. This plant information, no need to be maintained anything here, but going forward classes, there are a lot of informations under this tab. We will discuss later. Okay, then enter. Accounting 1. See, the valuation class. When you selected raw materials, automatically price control will come here. V is a average price, moving average price. V always, it's a refers for only raw materials. That means, okay, so raw materials for 3000, valuation class for raw materials 3000. See, now if you're able to see here, if you click here, you will get that list of valuation class. So 3000 is a standard, but somebody has created own valuation classes. We can also create, but going classes we'll see how to create. Raw materials is standard is 3000. You just click this one. Then price control V, per piece cost. Always we have to maintain per piece cost. So moving to average price. So I will maintain here laptop cost 25,000 rupees example. Enter and now we created one materials in our databases. Okay, now we'll see in MM02. So in changes, what and all we can do the changes here. Okay, the T code is MM02. Okay, materials will come here automatically. So you particularly want basic data only changes, then you can deselect this one. So whichever screen, if you want to change the data, we can select. Otherwise you can leave this, all four will display. Okay, plant, our plant TM PM. Okay, storage location TMS1, then enter. See, in changes, you can do anything here, like this data base unit of measure. Now PC is there. Now I'm going to maintain each per each laptop cost. Okay, enter. See, price we cannot change except price. See, the price column is, we don't have edit options. We cannot change here. So that's the reasons there are separate T code is there for price changes MR21. So use this price changes T code MR21. We can change that price. I will show you that is also how we can going to change these prices. Now 25,000 is there. Okay, enter. Okay, now we see one more T code. What I said, it's a list of materials under plant. If now how many plants that under my plant, how many materials are there? If we want to check that, go to /n mm6. Okay, just remove these columns. Okay, enter our plant. So P1. Okay, execute here. Now we created one materials. Right? So you will get report like this: material, plant, description. So this is the changes, where which date we change something data on the this material type. Yes, material type TMRM, metal group TMM. Okay, basic of measure each, purchase group TMM, the valuation class 3000, V is a raw materials always. So 25,000 is a material cost. Now I'm going to change this 25,000 to 30,000. That is T code is a MR21. Okay, slash NMR21. Okay, enter. Okay, date automatically will come. Company code we should enter TMM. Okay, plan to TMPM P1. Enter. See here which material you are going to enter. Change the prices. We should enter that material here. TMM laptop. Okay. Here new price. Let's examples. I want to make this 25,000 now current price. So 35,000 is a new price. You just enter. Automatically the old price. That means it's a current price will come. This new prices. Okay. You enter this price. Save. Now if we see in my list of materials, this is MM60. Now 25,000 is there. Now we'll go back. Just enter again. Just refresh. See now 35,000 is there. So like that, we can change the prices with the T code is a MR21. Okay, MR21, the price changes in Material Master. Now MM06 T code we'll see. Like flag for material deletions. Like examples, now you want to block these materials. Nobody will be create materials. Nobody will be, there is no any completely material needs to be blocked in our organizations. Then slash MM06. Okay, enter here. Flag for material deletion. Enter materials TMM laptop. Okay, this is our plan to enter. See here material plan to storage location. This is sales organization. We can block the materials with the sales organization also. This is warehouse, any WM warehouse. If I will click here, tick mark, just enter all checkbox wherever it is there, tick will be come. That means all the levels I'm going to block these materials. Nobody will be used in our organizations. If we save this one, I cannot create purchase order. I cannot create purchase order. So you cannot create anything particular these materials. Save. Again same thing, block or unblock, same T code MM06 only. Just remove this tick, then anybody can use these materials. That's it. That is the flag for material deletions. Okay, now I created only one materials, like here one laptop. Then you can practice n number of materials, then you will get how about the other differences and all material creations and all. Understand, right?
Yes.
So this
How
is
can we change quantity, sir?
quantities we cannot, where we can change. See, databases we are maintaining per piece cost, right? We cannot maintain here. Database always per piece cost you are going to maintaining. If you create a purchase order, 10 pieces if you buy, the per piece is a 1,000 rupees, then automatically 10 into 1,000 rupees, 10,000 becomes total value. Got it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So database always creating per piece cannot change full quantities one prices here. Okay, so this is material master. Okay, any doubt is there, you can ask me.
Okay.
If you have practice time, you have any doubt, you can let me know. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Chalo. So next class is Monday, right?
It's a next Monday.
Okay.